Yeah.
What do you want here? Hop it, or I'll call a guard.
My respects to you.
Have you seen a horse? A dappled grey?
My old woman saw him, and she didn't catch him, the silly cow. We could have had a feast. The sausages we could have... The grey, you say?
Aye. A dappled grey. All right. I'll ask your wife then.
Farewell.
I'm looking for charcoal burners in the region of Neuhof.
I know there's lots of them in the woods south of Ujitz.
Thank you.
Have you seen a horse running this way? A dappled grey?
I have, by Christ. I was coming with brushwood from the woods, and he almost knocked me down. Just before the farm, at the crossroads.
And did you see which way you went?
South, along the road towards Neuhof.
Thank you for your help.
Good luck, then. What do you want? No business here. What? Show...
Yeah.